Hey guys, thanks for watching today. Thought I'd take you four guys a ride. I haven't been posting videos here lately. Don't know really what to post about. But we're going to take a ride, show you guys the property. As I said in four of my other videos, we live in southeast Indiana on a 42-acre farm. The ATV I'm riding on right now is a 2009 Honda Rancher. With four-wheel drive. Those right there, cedar trees I pulled up. I am going to make a bridge out of them. I got a creek crossing down here in the back here. And it's starting to get really deep. And it just makes a mess every time you go in and out of it. So I'm going to put a bridge across it. I need to cut down another cedar tree to make the planks. This is the creek I'm talking about, and it's starting to get wore out. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to it. I'm going to start making content about riding back here in the woods, finding different stuff. We've been searching for morels, we've been finding them. We always find them on the other part over here behind us. I'll show you that when we go down through there. We found four of them so far. One of them was 7 inches long. That was pretty impressive. Usually I never find them that big because usually we find them way before they even get to that size. I think my dog just found a squirrel up in a tree. Good luck trying to get that thing out. She gone. You guys tell me where you hear that from. I love watching his videos. This is another creek crossing that I have that's starting to get rutted out. I need to find a way. I've been bypassing it with the ATV, but the side-by-side I have cannot bypass it. Today is Friday. I think the temperature today is supposed to get to 69 today. There's one of my trail cameras right there. I've been catching all kinds of stuff on that. I've been catching a bunch of coyotes, turkeys, been catching bobcats on it. Right back here is my favorite place to go squirrel hunting. I love hunting in these trees right down through here. There's a bunch of hickory nut trees and hickory nut trees. Catch all kinds of stuff back here. Been making new trails back in here. I'm going to start uploading photos, well, pictures that I catch of animals back here in the woods also. I always got problems with neighbors' dogs coming over on the property also. Hope they don't make it a problem when you go deer hunting. This trail right here, I need to do a little bit more cleaning on this one. Still got a lot of branches hanging over in the trail. I think my dog left me. I don't know where she went. Probably think I'm crazy talking to myself. Oh, there she is. Oh, bunch of quail. Yeah, we're starting to get a bunch of quail up in here now. I like watching them. is one of the new trails I made. It rains, it gets a little sketchy, but when it's dry, it's fine. Yeah, definitely needs a little bit more clean out. Right back in here is a really nice place to go deer hunting right in here. This right here is like an overgrown field, and deer just lay up in there. A lot of times I'll go down through here and I'll see a deer up there just laying in there, and they won't even move even when you see them. Oh guys, look what we just caught on the trail here. Looks like a rabbit just got attacked. Yeah, it's got bone, blood. Huh. As I say, I do have bobcats back here, so it might have been a bobcat that got him. Trail right here is a trail work in progress, as I like to call it. It still needs a lot more work to get done. I've been working on it, trying to get it all cleaned out and stuff like that. Hope you guys ain't bouncing around too much. Got you clipped onto my shirt. Yeah. Here pretty soon I'll have some chicken of the woods coming out. They're on that tree right down there. I don't know if you can see it, but I get chicken of the woods that comes up during the summertime, and I'll be picking some of that. I can't wait for that. I got another trail camera right there. That's one of the deer stands right there. I need to change that. I don't like exactly where it's at. This is another trail in progress right here also. I need to take out that cedar tree and make this thing a straight shot straight up. I think it'd make a real nice hill climb. I need to get some cameras, what I need to get. Right now I'm just videotaping off my phone. That little girl right there loves her quad rides. She loves going back here and goofing off. But it gets her out of the house, so she likes it. This trail right here, I just made it last year. This section right here is where I always find the morels at right here. Go ahead and put this in four-wheel drive because I'm going to need it. You guys didn't bounce around too much. Yeah, right here is where I found the morels. Yeah, it was right along in here is where I found it at. And me and my wife was riding back here the other day and finally spotted one. And it was right here underneath all these leaves. You can see it right there. It's all dried out now. But yeah, it was underneath all those leaves. Couldn't even freaking see it when we came past. And then finally I looked over there. I was like, oh gosh, it was a morel. I want to show you guys that. I tell you one thing, these things blend in really good. But me and my wife, we're going to go this weekend also again to try to find some more. Because it's been cold for the last few days and it's been raining. And now it's starting to heat up in the 70s. They should be popping up here pretty soon again. But that one right there that was all dried up, it was all cracked up and stuff, so I went ahead and took it and crumbled it and scattered it all over around in there so all the spores could get all over the place. So hopefully next year I have a bunch of them back in there. But that is the tour. We're coming back out of the woods. All this right here is just an overgrown field. I was bush hogging it, but might as well just let it grow up. wrapping this video up here in a second. Hey guys, if you like this kind of content, you know, I put out different stuff about trapping, hunting, and stuff like that, riding the ATVs around. Consider, you know, subscribing. I would love, guys, to have you watch my videos. My name is Johnny, and yeah, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment, see how I'm doing. You know, I'm not really used to making videos, but I want to try to get into it. But hey, I do appreciate you guys watching. Thanks.